Today, Pine's gonna eat prunes. What is my grapes?
Pertangin pa lang. One, Polly.
Look, look, Mommy's almost shown.
What's the taste? Oh my God! The bib! You forgot. You like it? Hmm? Tiny pa. Pio, can you taste it? This one? Mmm. Ito ka sa chair mo na kay. Gusto pa? Want more? Mm-hmm.
Nadia,
Dad?
Mommy, Daddy, this is the fish version.
Fish?
Look, this is a version. Look.
So pa, Polly? Tadi, lagay ko nga sa plato niya.
System is now.
Mark. Talin ka nga sa plato.
Nung ano?
Storage system.
Ayun o, yung gray. Yung mga teeter, lipat mo dito sa blue.
And blue.
Ang hirap kasi magsantok eh. May video daddy ah. Wait lang, salin tayo sa ano. Wait lang.
Up to 2.
I think she like it. Ito po. Don't show me.
Show it. It looks
Show
like
this. Show this one.
it looks like
We're
poop.
trying.
Mommy, it looks like poop poop.
Wait lang anak.
It looks like poop.
Dali, patulong mo yung high chair na mahanginan kami ng konti. Mainit eh. Kaya ups na yan. Mamigay pa. Para pwede ka rin sa mga nakaano. Wait lang, dip it here. Scoop some first. Daddy?
Hmm?
You want to sit na on your chair? You want to eat na? Ha? Okay. Ay, hindi na. Ito na. Yan na. O, yan na. Sorry na, sorry na. Hindi. Don't cry. You're eating na. Why? Why did you cry? Ayun na, oo. Eh, kasi mali ang subo mo ng spoon eh. Tatamaan yung gums mo. Sorry na, sorry na, sorry na. Hindi na, hindi na. Don't cry. You have food in your mouth. Sorry. Why are you crying? You're eating. Calm down na. Sige na, sige na.
Daddy, look, it was like poop. It was like poop.
Because when you eat a lot of prawns, you will poop.
Yeah, that's
Kasi kailangan din ni Polly ng ano.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bakit nagkakry? Why? 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 Why you crying? Ito pa oh, may more pa oh. Ito, subuhan ka na ni Mami. Subuhan ka na lang ni Mami. Subuhan ka na lang ni Mami. Ha? Nalalaw ka ni Kuya na mukhang poop yung food mo. Ayaw mo na, you don't like na. Don't like na. Sige, oh. You want pa? Oh, sige, oh. Oh, sige, if you want more, oh. You want the other spoon? Where's your other spoon? Here, oh. Here. Thanks me. Siguro mas tigas. Hindi na. Ito, this one. Ito yung nahanap mo isang spoon. Oh, ito. This is the other spoon. Ito na yung soft. Oh. Ito na. Sige na. Talagyan na si Mami. No, sige, the spoon is hard kasi ito na nako. Hindi, saktan ikaw. Ito na. I'll stop the video na piyo, ha? Don't cry, Nats. Today's food vlog.
Also, Polly wants you to like and subscribe. That's why she's quiet.
Oh, ito. This one, try the other spoon na. Hindi. I think she's sleepy na. Are you sleepy na?